Srinivas, just one question on the interest rate futures. Like, is it related to swaps or is it something different?
Sure. So interest rate futures are, in different currencies. In India, there are different interest rate futures, right? So interest rate futures are, for example, in US and other places, LIBOR market, there are futures on the LIBOR rates. Basically saying that on a particular day, what is going to be the LIBOR? On that, the future is traded. Now, it is almost equivalent to the FRA, the forward rate agreement I just said earlier, right? For any one fixing, if you want to hedge, 6 cross 12, 12 cross 18, similarly, you have a future. So similarly, like there in dollar rupee, you have a forward contract in the interbank market, and you have a dollar rupee future in the NS. Same logic. There's a LIBOR future, but it's only for one specific maturity. So in some sense, if you have futures available for all the future LIBOR fixings, it is similar to, you can combine all of them together and produce a swap rate. So swap is like an average in some sense. They are different instruments altogether. Future is hedged only for one particular maturity, any one future. In India, interest rate futures are available, but they are available not on the MIFOR rate. You can't use them for hedging your ECBs. They are available purely for GSEC yields and so on. So they are different. They are not for hedging ECBs or swaps. So they're not related to the swap market at all. Swap market is completely OTC. They are not based on the swap market is not at all available in any across the world. It is not available in any exchanges. Exchanges is purely interest rate futures specific to one maturity. You can hedge. If you want to hedge all the maturities, you have to buy different futures for 10 different maturities. That's for LIBOR. For rupee, there is nothing called MIFOR future. Whatever future is available is for GSEC and so on.
Okay.